what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer, the owner of ExploringLasVegas.com. So now what's going on with Marquee Dayclub? Okay, Marquee Dayclub is operating as business as usual, and if you want to get into that place, get on the guest list on my link below, or you can get a ticket through my link. Just hit me up. My cell phone is above 773-459-8133. That's my cell phone. And then if you want to get a table, make sure you hit me up as well. I'm a VIP host for Marquee Day Nightclub, and the tables for the day club are still the same. Okay, you got 8 cabanas, the grand cabanas on the one side. If you're looking at the DJ on the left, they all have their own plunge pools. Put your money. Some of the best setups in Vegas where you get your own pool in the cabana, and my customers really love those. There's one on the end, Cabana 24, that actually has a pool to the side, not facing the DJ, but it's a little more private if you like a little private party back there. Some people really like that. Okay, some people don't, some people do. Now, there is cabanas on the other side. If you're looking at the DJ on the right, there's actually 3 on 1 through 16, omitting 13, so there's 15 cabanas there. And those are nice. They're, they have like a TV, a couch. They don't have a plunge pool or anything. You kind of got to use the main pool. But they're okay. You got your own little space there, and there gets kind of the back wall there, if you will. Now, inside, you're going to find your prime daybeds. Those are going to be the ones around the pool or the ones closest to the DJ. Those are your prime daybeds. The daybeds are kind of like a couch daybed, if you will. So you have like a backrest and everything. They're not like your standard daybeds that's just flat. They're actually kind of more like a couch. But they're all called daybeds here. And then there's the regular daybeds that are going to be more toward the back, behind the east bar, in the middle toward the back. And then there's a couple of regular daybeds like behind the DJ and by the west bar. If you would like to be behind the DJ in the DJ area, sort of, I can request those as well. Those are just considered regular daybeds as well by the west bar, right? And occasionally when the day club's really busy, you'll find the inside is open. They'll actually open seat some of the cloud tables in there, and then they'll actually seat some of the upper and lower dance floors if it's busy enough, okay? But generally you won't see that too often unless they got a really big DJ, maybe like an occasional Martin Garrix appearance over here, a Steve Aoki appearance. Maybe they'll have that, that much open. But if you're interested in learning a little bit more about Marquee Dayclub, make sure you hit me up or have any questions, 773-459-8133. The plans for this place, this winter, it's supposed to be going through a full renovation, okay? So Marquee Dayclub is not going to be open for the dome this year. They're not going to put the dome up. They're going to be remodeling this place. So right now they're operating the day club and the nightclub together in the same venue. So Marquee Nightclub is being renovated, and it's a Marquee Dayclub at night. It's a night swim. And then during the day, it's just regular Marquee Dayclub. But next season, in the off season, they're going to be renovating it, and it's going to reopen, all new, probably refresh, probably a new look, paint job. I don't know how much they're going to do to it in one off season, but it did need a little bit of a refresh. You're now competing with the same group. You're going to have Omnia Day Club opening up. You're going to have Palm Tree Beach Club, which is 1 year old, and Tau Beach Club, which is like 3 years old. So they're basically competing against themselves. And then, of course, Live Beach is new. Encore Beach is getting a remodel this year. And so they're going to be competing with like all new pools. I don't know what they're going to do with IU Day Club, but that place definitely needs a refresh. And so we'll see what happens. It'll be interesting in 2026. Of course, I'll shoot an update video once I know more information, and you can get like a table layout and get everyone informed on where you can get bottle service here at Marquee Day Club. But my link's below. If you have any questions, but do hit me up. My cell phone again is 773-459-8133. We do combine this place with several packages. There are several restaurants we work with around here. We do brunch. We do limo service to and from. We also combine this place with like an Atomic Golf, a Top Golf. Want to do ATVs in the morning. You want to go shooting in the morning. It's all on the table. We can definitely make a custom package for you and your group and make your day amazing. And hit me up about Marquee Day and Nightclub if you want. Coming to Vegas and you have some questions, I'm happy to plan your party. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, signing out here from the Cosmopolitan. We'll talk to you soon.